Play Store is the software from which you can download various types of apps, games and movies. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video I'm going to teach you guys, can you or can you not download Play Store on your phone. So basically Play Store is already installed on your phone from the first, as you guys can see here. You cannot uninstall it or you cannot disable it. You can disable it, but there is no use of it because you cannot download any apps if you disable it. So can you really download Play Store on your phone? You can go to Google Chrome and search for Play Store download, but you cannot find anything. You can download an APK, but that will be of no use. So all you can do is use the Play Store that you have on your phone and enjoy it while it lasts. So this is how you download, or this is the answer that you can or cannot download Play Store on your phone. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next.